Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Category, the civil engineers and the architects. So in the today's module, we are going to see how to create floor in floor plan. So this is our module number 5. We have already completed 4 modules before, which were regards the interface of Revit, then creating levels in a project, creating grids, then creating walls, how to create walls in detail, which we have completed in last module, which is module 4, adding walls in floor plan. So if you have not seen this video, please go through this video and then you can proceed with our module number 5, which is create floor plan. So let's get started to create the floor plan. So we have Revit open with us. So this is the level 0, level 1, level 2 and level 3, in which we have created some walls. And now our target is to create floor plan in this video. So what you have to do is you have to go into the architectural tab, go into the floor architectural, select the rectangle from exterior face to the exterior face and then hit and click OK button. So if you go into the 3D, you can see the floor has been created. So to eventually change its properties of this floor, you have to see in the left hand side of the screen, which is in the properties palette. So here you can change the floor sizes. You can create your own floor named as, for example, floor test. I will just create and show you. Go into the edit. You can give layers to your floor with different layers. I want this floor of 100 mm, very small thickness, or if it's at the bottom, let's make it 300 mm. Okay, and then you can apply. Okay, so now you can see that the floor thickness has been increased. So this is how you can create floor and change its properties from the properties palette. The second thing is you can select the floor in which level it's been needed. For example, if I want this floor at level 1, you can say it's into the level 1. If you want this floor at level 0 as well as level 1, just select this level, click copy to clipboard, go into the paste drop down, align to the selected levels and just select level 1. Similarly, now just go into the modify tab, paste, align to level, just select 2. Why it is coming? Because it's already there in the clipboard. So that's why it's copying automatically. So this is about the levels which we created. One more thing, if you go into the floor architecture, you can see there is an offset. Okay, so if you give the offset of 20 mm and select this and create a line. Oh, so offset was not been selected. For example, if I want to create a floor, this is the pick line, which means that it will pick automatically. See, like this. Either you can draw single like this, like this, like this, and like this, or you can pick, you can pick it. It means that it will automatically come. Or else you can click on rectangle, first click and second click. It's the method, like whichever is feasible to you guys. You can use these shapes to create a floor or to create any objects in Revit. So once I hit, I was about to tell you about the offset. So if I'm going into architectural, if I click pick a line, offset of 20 mm, and if I select this, 20 mm seems to be very less. So let's give 5 centimeters more 50 centimeters. Yes, so guys, you can see that it is automatically taking the offset of 50 centimeters. Hit an OK. So now what it is asking, you would you like walls that go up to this floor level to attach the bottom? So I will click as attach. What does it means? So see, these walls were going above, these walls were above the floor. Okay. So once you create the floor, it will ask you that do you want to attach this wall, the top of the wall, to the bottom of the floor. So that was the pop-up which I selected yes, then it automatically got connected to the bottom of the floor. So this is all about the floor. So if you have any queries or doubts, please comment down in the comment section so that we can read and reply you with your doubts. Do like, share and subscribe our channel. Till then, wait for the next module, which we will be focusing on the module number 6, which is creating a roof. So this was regarding floor. Now we will jump to the module number 6 in the next video, which is creating floor. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.